Well, hello there, YouTube, and welcome to February 1st, 2017. I'm at a dune. As you can see, it was like down to 25 degrees, 24 or 25. It was 25 last time I looked last night. Crazy cold last night. And I think it's just below freezing this morning. I forgot to look when I walked out the door. But anyway, welcome to a new month. Can't believe we're starting the second month of 2017. I'm still getting used to it being 2017.
I know, it's weird. Time just goes by way too fast.
Yeah, it does. You'll see that I left that ram mount attached on there. I think I'm gonna have to give her a testing out here. So it looks like the storms, at least according to one weather thing, I was going to study that last night and forgot. It's like a threat of snow and freezing rain and whatever else they're talking about. Looks like it's going to be Thursday and Friday instead of today. Or maybe it starts today, I don't know. Check this out. This is the short bus. Now that is rare to see in the Northwest. These trains are miles long. And it is crazy windy out here. Woman, that was one crazy windy ride. Holy moly. Nothing like driving something with the aerodynamics of a train boxcar down a windy freeway. Yeah, it's still windy here. Not quite as bad as it was down the freeway, but plenty. And it's an east wind, which means storm. Alright, there you go. That was like the freeway. That took me off my feet. This is that R1200 RS that I was talking about in yesterday's video. Man, this thing is absolutely phenomenal. Wow, is that a good looking bike? Oh man, she's pretty. Just picture yourself driving down the road, staring across that dash. GPS sitting there, all hydraulic, got all the modes on it. It's fully equipped. We collect every option, as the old saying goes. So you know the guy I was talking to when I got back from test riding the F800 GT? This is his proud new 2017 R1200 GS. He's gonna be one happy camper. I just brought it back. Did a firmware update, checked tire pressures, going over it one final time, and it'll be back at some point. Pick it up. I don't know if that's today or not, but very exciting. Man, isn't that the best feeling in the world when you buy a new motorcycle? Nothing beats that. Thought I'd show you guys something. I purposely put the fob out of range of the bike. You'll get this little triangle and a key with a question mark on there. That's telling you you have left your fob behind. But I'm going to take it around front, and I thought, because you guys are kind of involved with this. Do I have the... No. I'm just telling you guys about the fob. Stick this in my pocket. Nice thing about this one, I usually step on the peg and swing myself around on the GSA. But this one's so much lower. You can just straddle it like a regular bike. So I'm just going to roll around to the front of the store. Like I said, I don't need to do another test ride on it. Although I'd love to. I guess it's kind of a test ride. It's cold out here, and the wind is just a whipping. The wind chill is 24 degrees out here. Man, these things are so nice. Now, can I get a GS through that door? think I can. We'll try. We don't want to scratch a customer's bike though, do we? Ah, easy peasy. I don't know where Mike's going to want this. I'm going to land it right here initially. Alrighty. Check out this awesome 2017 F800GS. Just rolled it out of the crate. This is an Adventure model. Still got stuff to put on it. There's a little crate she was straddled in a moment ago. Got shields and skid pans and all kinds of stuff to put on it. That's a pretty color. Alright, so my kid wants me to take this F4 for a ride. Thing's nice and pleasant. Oh my god, it's cold out here and I forgot to put my climb over this. I'm gonna freeze. This is just my thin work coat. It is like wearing a loose knit sweater. Wow, this thing's very pleasant. Of course, it is a Honda. It doesn't matter if it's an old Honda, it's a Honda. Oh, this thing is very pleasant. Oh my god, it's gold. Wow, this thing is nice. Sounds so sweet. How can you not love a CBR 600? It's impossible not to. Wow, that hurts. It's so cold. It's colder out here. I haven't looked, but it's clearly colder out. Wow, this thing is super, super nice. Just pleasant as pie. Man, I can't begin to tell you how cold it is. Oh, Jesus Christ, that hurts. That is intense cold. So I guess that storm's supposed to come rolling in here tonight, they're saying. Oh, don't blow me off the road, wind. You see how far that just jerked me off to one side? I guess I'll be heading straight into it now. Oh, that is so cold. Holy moly, woman, it's cold out here. I'm still frozen from test riding a CBR 600 F4 with just my shock coat on. I mean, literally, I haven't been able to shake the cold since. So I may burn you out of the car here for a little bit. Man, that wind makes it so freaking cold out here. Freezing my ever-loving behind off. How much have I complained about the cold yet today? Wow. I don't know what the temperature is, but that wind is just a biting cold. There's a shot of the store you guys never get to see. I'm just sitting here writing down my gas mileage info here. Oh, Abilene and Matadoon, you guys all excited, huh? You excited we're home? Yeah, we're all excited. Jeez, they said, oh, it's cold out there today. Cold. Well, hello there, YouTube. Abby says, I need love, and I need love now.
Yes.
Did you... Because it's 10:45, our kid came over and helping him with his taxes and stuff. So I haven't done anything. All I did is look to see how much time I have, so I don't have a whole... Obviously, I'll edit and take some of the junk out as we go along. Happy. But... but
let me give you a bath, Mom.
when they're here, the dogs all like find their little corner and stuff, and when everybody leaves, they all go, all right, it's time to love on Mom and Dad. Let's attack them. But, she's off to do something there.
Wandering somewhere else.
Goofy mutt. But, yeah, I haven't done, usually I've been really good. I've been coming home and sorting stuff out. By the time we sit here, the video's done other than putting the last clip in, you know. It's going to be a late night tonight. God, I was going to do some, edits, or some test rides, and I test rode that R1200RS that I showed you guys in yesterday's video. I really wanted to get that thing done. I could probably do it real quick, but by the time I get done with this, I'm burn out.
Can you not find the spot?
Crazy old mutt. So I'm sure you walk past and even look at it, but you know, it seems like every F800 GSA that I put together has been that gray, which is cool. It's about the same color gray as my DR. But, you know, you see the same color all the time. You want to see something new. I see the box says F800, you know, GS Adventure on it. And go, geez, another F800 Adventure, you know. Wow, those things are tall. Holy moly. You ride
that big one that you rolled through there?
No, that was a regular 1200 GS. You know, them things are...
Well, that sucker's tall all by itself.
Not as tall as the GSA.
Well...
It looks tall.
Yeah.
I've decided, I was sitting here trying to figure out the difference here. It's not quite what a GSA is in low, but it's like a halfway point. I can put my feet flat on the ground on that one. On the GSA, not a chance. Even with the suspension on low, I can't put both feet out. I mean, it's, well, you know, it's an inch and a half difference. Plus the GSA, for whatever reason, the seat is a little, or the GS, not the Adventure, is a little skinnier, so you can put your feet straighter down.
Yeah, you're not so, you know, spread eagled or whatever.
I don't know why. The seat looks the same. I don't know. I'll have to go out there and measure it. But the riding a regular GS is almost like riding a GS Adventure low. Not quite that low, but just about there. They are more. It's, you know, I tell you guys, don't worry about, you know, touching your feet, but I have to say it is more pleasant to ride the regular GS because it's so much lower than the Adventure. That, you know, it is a little bit better to be able to put your feet down.
It gives you more stability, you know.
I was thinking there, you know, when you're sitting on them, it was about the same as a GS Adventure, the low version, but the low version is a little bit lower yet than a standard GS. Now, GS is low. That's crazy low.
Yeah.
That's like the difference of an F800 Adventure, GS Adventure, and an F800 GS, the non-Adventure. Wow, it's a huge difference in height on those.
It's going to take me a while to get used to the model designation because it's still like on, I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Now give me any other model, you say the model, and I know exactly what you're talking about. Right now it's still like...
You'll get it all figured out.
What is that?
Yeah. God, right, when I went to school, they're talking, you know, K-Series, like K2X, K5X, I'm going, huh? What is that? You know, what are they talking about? You know, now why is everything in with an X? Because there's different versions. The X is just because there's a K23, K21. You know,
yeah, it's going to take me a little bit.
K51, K51. There's all the different designations. So it's just that class of engine is a K5X. But anyway, get it all figured out. And I think I say that in the video sometimes just because it's in my head. You know, when you're at work, you talk acronyms to each other.
Yeah, you know what it is.
Yeah, and you forget that other people aren't listening. It's like me, the first day in school, I'm like, what the hell are they talking about?
Yeah.
What is that, you know? Oh, boy, it didn't take long to figure that out because they pound it into you. You walk out of there warped.
Or very knowledgeable.
Yeah.
But
Anyway, I hate to cut the goodbye vlog short, but I do have a lot of stuff to do, and I don't want to have to worry about, okay, I spent this much talking, I'll have to just start chopping. I don't want to stress before I go in there.
All right.
Because I got to do this. I'm going to be up till, I'll be 2 o'clock easy.
But you can't keep doing that.
Hey, I'll get to watch Mannix tonight on MeTV. It comes on at 3.
Oh, you're pitiful.
Alright.
Alright, you guys take care. Thank you very, very much for watching. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Give her a thumbs up. And you guys have a wonderful day.
And pray we don't get wiped out with this storm. Because this storm, they're saying, is going to be just like the storm that just came through.
Yeah, I'm ready for spring.
And then just like last time, Portland, Vancouver is in the crosshairs. And it's going to trickle. It's like the same scenario as the storm we just had.
Yeah, so hopefully
Is the winter over?
I know it. I'm ready for barbecues and sun and swimming.
But around here, it's kind of like the way it was, years ago, that seemed like, until you got at least halfway through February, anything's game.
Yeah.
And then it turns like these crazy summer type 70-degree days that are fantastic.
Yeah, but you can't get them too early because then it turns back to winter and summer never comes.
Yeah, if you get like 2 weeks of 70-degree weather, you're done. Because now summer's not going to start until the end of June.
Yeah.
It will literally rain all the way through May and June.
Yeah. So
and then summer will be short.
You want it, but you don't want it too early.
Yeah.
Because that will set you up for disaster.
Yep.
And it's not good for the motorcycle industry either.
No, kind of puts a damper on it. Not too many people want to ride their brand new motorcycle in the rain.
Nope.
You got to get that patina on there, get some miles on it, and you go, so what? But I never do that because I try to keep my motorcycles new looking.
No, he's too anal.
Yeah. All right.
All right, we got to go.
Until tomorrow.
Yes.
All right.
Mañana.
Yeah. Get me talking because I know a little bit of German. That's it. Enough that I can sort of figure it out, but I can never say anything back. Just little phrases here and there.
I only know a little bit of things.
So when it cracks me up, that's be for another vlog. All right.
All right, we gotta go.
All right, talk to you guys tomorrow. How many goodbyes was that?
I don't know, 10, 12.
All right, this will be the final goodbye. Bye. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.